And I simply just gotta say, real shit, real.
I'm a scientist.
Rich real. Man, they don't like me too much. I do shit that I want. I don't gotta be focused on having all that they love.
What's up? It's Thursday. I don't know if I should say a day, because if I, for some reason, upload this. So I'm about, it's like, I woke up really early today, because last night I went to bed at like 7, so I woke up at 8, and it's 10 now, so I'm thinking about going to the gym right now, and I actually might be getting a job at the carnival place, or rather a job where I work out. So I might go there right now and talk to the guy about getting me that job. And I don't know if I want to stay there and work out or not, because I kind of want to work out later. But it would be a waste of time if I go back and forth. But I really don't want to work out right now, so I think I'm just going to head over there and then be like, oh, hey, blah, blah, blah. And then find out when my interview is, then come home, and I'll go back later. Oh, that looked gross. So yeah, I'm here at Connerton. I don't have no idea if you can see me. The sun's behind me, and if I stand like this, it's in my eyes and it hurts real bad. So I'm sorry for the awful quality. But I came to my neighborhood's gym, and there's like a pool there, so I got a job as a pool attendant. I got hired today, officially. Have a job, gang. No longer a poor boy. So that's great. But I came out here I came out here to fail at basketball a little bit more. I'm trying to get better, so the more I fail, the closer I get to succeeding. So chase your dreams. But I'll be out here for a little bit. I'm gonna come to the gym later. It was packed, so I didn't want to go. So that's about it. Gym today, I might be doing something with some friends, because I'm no longer poor, so I can actually go do stuff now. That's pretty sick. Yeah. Alright, I'll see you later. Maggie. Tastes real good, I feel. I'm not gonna say that, that'd be a racist joke. I'm gonna cut that out. Anyway, I got home, and my dad's letting me use the new lawnmower. So yeah, I get to use the new lawnmower. She's still there. So I'm excited. Let's use this new technology to decapitate the heads from grass. It should be good fun, but I'm not gonna make a montage of me cutting grass again, because I think that was kind of dumb. Actually, I enjoyed doing it, but I'm not doing it again. So I have to expose my brother for this. Look at this, man. I don't. It just, no words. If you watch this and you know my brother, go like tweet at him and be like, get your clothes out of the goddamn bathroom. It's a hassle having to step over them when I want to go shower. Something I deal with. It's just my daily life. And I might be exposing him, that's okay. You gotta do what you gotta do. If enough of you guys go tweet at him, maybe he's gonna stop. I'm using my brain. Alright. Judge me, okay?
Are we gonna talk about science today?
What'd you say?
Nothing. Look at my mac and cheese!
Can I take a bite? This is ASMR eating mac and
Okay,
cheese.
hold on.
Take a bite.
Wait, you can't see it.
Yeah, you're just supposed to hear it. That's what ASMR. Okay, chew really loudly. funny part is that's how she usually chews. Ow!
Look at my nails.
Why is one a different
Look
color?
at my bracelet. They're real diamonds.
What does that say? Is that an H?
No, it has a K on it.
Oh, I thought that was like H for like hairy boyfriend or something.
Hey, Zaya just texted me.
Ooh, Zion.
My boyfriend is not Harry.
Shut up, stop lying.
Zaya is not Harry.
I think we have video evidence that says otherwise. That video will be up tomorrow.
No, Drew! You're lying.
No, did I?
You put that in your video?
So you admit to saying it.
No, I didn't.
Then how's it
My
on?
boyfriend is not Harry. He has a dad bod. I like it.
Dad bods are gross.
No, they're yummy.
Sorry, Zaya.
This is how.
This is how I eat him. Let's go. Draw it. Alright, I'm turning off the camera
No.
for part 2.
Part 2. Look at my cute baby pictures. I was so fat.
You were?
Look how fat I was.
Was?
Are you trying to say I'm fat, babe?
No, you're like pencil. Ow, I just stabbed myself.
And I'm a sucker for the way that you're moving.
Oh, you like how Zaya dances? Have you ever seen him dance?
No, have you?
Yeah.
Is it bad?
He dances worse than you.
I don't dance bad.
Kelsey dances like this. Like that. There you go. That's her best. That's her only dance move. This is Zaya's Egyptian. This is Zaya's only dance move. Like that. The stereotypical Egyptian shit. I swear to God.
I want to go to Bora Bora.
Yeah, me too. Oh, it's so nice. Oh, and the hair twirl or some shit.
Wait, what?
Then he also does this. I swear to God. No. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we were all riding in Will's car, and Will puts on Freaky Friday. He's like, guys, isn't this such a great song? And everyone was like, Will, you're fucking gay. But then, as soon as like they started singing, everyone knew every word.
Except Zayad.
No, except for Sage. So Sage is the only one who can say he doesn't like that song. But everyone else, me, Kevin, Will, and Zaya knew every word of that song, and Zaya did this the entire time.
You're lying. He does not dance like that.
Oh.
I'm so flying, I can dance.
Do it.
Tattoos on my neck. I just FaceTime flying. I told him I'm his biggest fan. Yeah, got all these hoes in my DM. Yeah, I do. Hold up. Holy shit, I got a kid.
Oh!
And he sings like that, bro.
I know, he does what he does.
Look at him.
Yeah.
Look at him in the city. I woke up in Chris Brown's body. So how this shit turned into Freaky Friday. But we
Wait.
got no choice but to turn this
I can't
bitch
do
sideways. It's Freaky Friday. I'm in Chris Brown's body.
This is Zaya. This is the song for the Habib.
I have a video of him singing this.
I think everyone does.
Sorry, you been on my mind for so long that I ain't gonna waste no time to wait all alone.
It's at his house.
I mean, love the camera.
It's all on video. That was her and Zion.
Stop it!
I'm sending this to him.
Not.
June 13th they played last
We
time.
didn't.
Yeah, they did. Alright, Kelsey, whatever. I know you did.
How?
You always do. You can't resist the Habib.
Shut the fuck up. Yes, I can. Yeah, because
off the weed. I do what I want and I do as I please. And if you don't like it, hotel it to these. It's easy.
Oh, what's this one?
Oh my gosh. Something's definitely wrong with her. She had to use my phone to call out.
Mom. What? That was the funniest. I was like, I'm so sorry. I'm freaking out. My brand new car won't start.
You just called in to work?
I'm so funny.
I hope when Dixie doesn't see this. Nobody watches these. It's okay.
You just called in to work?
Just kidding. Eventually,
Like mother, like daughter.
Kelsey, how is it?
It's great. It's really hot. I want ice cream.
Well, we're gonna go get ice cream after this. Is this better than going to work?
Yeah.
I still can't believe she called out at work. I have to keep my shirt on so I don't attract too much attention from the ladies. You know, my summer bod is coming in nicely. You know, no dad bods out here, so all the ladies are going to be looking at me if I take my shirt off, so I'm going to keep it on for as long as possible. Comment what you think is better, dad bod or a muscular bod. Leave it down in the comments. Got my premium lighting right there. We left the pool. We actually left. We went and got some ice cream, and then we went back with Sage. You've seen Sage in the vlogs before, you know who he is. But right now, me and her are going to the car meet. So this should be fun. I'll get some sick videos of the sick cars.
Oh, maybe I make mistakes, maybe I do it all, so you'll remember my name. Break it down like I don't wanna pretend no more. Ain't lying to my friends no more. Nah, not living to regret no more. I don't see him as a threat no more. Nah, don't wanna impress no one. I just wanna get shit done. Whoa, baby, I might jump this gun. I want this shit forever. I ain't even got a front. Nah, 'cause all I wanna do is give you everything you wanted. I do whatever to get it, don't trip. Lay it all out on the line, don't you worry, we'll be fine. I've been working all night for you. Nah, I'm working all night. I'm working all night. I'm working all night for you. Nah, I'm working all night. I'm working all night. I'm working all night for you. New crib, 2 chicks, new whip, cruise straight, gotta do shit all night for them cute.